Jodi's defense team has tried to use Travis's troubled past against him, claiming because Travis was abused as a child, he was more likely to become an abuser. The prosecution counters Travis was a hero, a man who overcame adversity and really turned into this successful businessman who then fell victim to this stalker with a borderline personality disorder. So let's bring in clinical psychologist Jeff Gardier. How do you balance those two arguments out?
Well, you can balance them, because here is a situation of someone who I've always said had some sort of a borderline personality hooking up with someone who was in some ways, and not blaming the victim, behaved in a way that pushed her particular buttons. Maybe someone else wouldn't react that way to Travis Alexander, but she did, and that was the perfect storm that perhaps led to his death.
And anytime we discuss this toxic relationship, it is certainly not to in any way blame the victim. This man you're looking at here, Travis Alexander, he is the victim. He did not deserve to die. But it's also incumbent upon us to try to learn from these tragedies. And if we do, then Travis will not have died in vain. And I think that's a very important point. And I want to throw that out to Celine Darkle-Standian, a senior producer with our show. You've covered this from the start. It's a gut-wrenching case. It's sad. It's tragic. But I think that if we learn from it, then Travis will not have died in vain.
That's right. And I think even just sitting in the courtroom and listening to other reporters talking during this trial and all the other producers, everybody can relate to the story in one way or another. Not everyone has had to have every single thing like this done to them, but everyone's been in a toxic relationship. Everyone's has been hurt by somebody or been the perpetrator. So I think that definitely everybody can take something away from it.